Hi everyone, welcome back to Code Step by Step. My name is Anil. This is the fourth part of our Angular 12 series, and in this video we will learn that how we can apply our first change in Angular application, as well as I will tell you that how you can change this title also. So because the application title and this stuff is coming from the different files. So let's start with the title because this is the easier part. So just go to the src folder, then click on the html dot index.html, and you can just simply change this title name. So let me add here Angular 12, and you can see that this is working fine here. Great. All right, so after that, how we can just get this stuff and change here? So for that you have to go inside the app and app.component.html. Here we have lots of css as well as the html part. So let's try to change the first word. So let's change this welcome text with the Angular 12. So just simply search here welcome and just change it Angular 12, right? And now you can see that this is working fine, right? So let's remove this old stuff because we will just work from a scratch, so we don't need this html stuff. And even this is a lots of html, this is really hard to work with that one. So let's remove it, and now you will find that our page is completely blank, there is nothing to see. And now just add here a simple html h1 tag. Let's say hello Angular, right? And this is working fine. Great. So this is our first change. So let's just learn a bit more. So here you can see that in app component we have some more files. In app.component.css we can write our css. In app.component.html we will write our html. Here you can see that this is a test file, we will learn it later. And the app.component.ts, this is basically what TypeScript file. Here we will write our functions, variables, properties, logic and all, right? So whenever you will open it, you will find that there is a title and it has some values like blog. So how we can access this title in app.component.html? So this is really simple. You can just simply put here double curly braces and simply put here title, and you will find that we are getting here blog, because in this title we have a text block. So what we call it, do we call it constant, let or where? Because there is nothing here, we call it simply property of app component, right? So keep in mind, if your HTML part is in the different component and this title is in the different component, then it will not gonna work. They both should be in the same component. Now you can see that the both our HTML and the TS file both inside the app component, right? Okay, that's great. So let's try to change this name. So let me put here 12, and now you will find that here we have stuff like hello Angular 12. This 12 is coming from the TypeScript file to HTML file. So that's all for this video. In next video we will learn about interpolation. What is interpolation? The double curly braces, we call it interpolation. This is not as simple as you are just seeing here. There is a lots of other feature that you can use with this interpolation. So thanks for watching this video. In the upcoming videos we will learn about, as I told you, with the interpolation, component, module, routing and much more. So stay tuned, subscribe channel, and please provide your reviews in the comment section.